Today, I'm going to be talking about how many days it takes to withdraw from StashAway. I know that this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I wanted to take some time to answer it for you. Before we get into the specifics of how long it takes to withdraw from StashAway, let's take a quick look at what StashAway is. StashAway is a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money automatically. It's a great option for people who are new to investing or who don't have a lot of time to manage their own investments. How does StashAway work? When you sign up for StashAway, you answer a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. StashAway then uses this information to create a personalized investment portfolio for you. Once your portfolio is created, StashAway will automatically invest your money for you. You can also make manual withdrawals or deposits at any time. How long does it take to withdraw from StashAway? The amount of time it takes to withdraw from StashAway depends on the type of withdrawal you make. Instant withdrawals are processed immediately. This means that you can access your money as soon as you request it. Standard withdrawals take 1 to 2 business days to process. This means that you can expect to see your money in your bank account within 1 to 2 business days after you request it. Large withdrawals over $10,000 take 3 to 5 business days to process. This means that you can expect to see your money in your bank account within 3 to 5 business days after you request it. Additional factors that can affect the withdrawal time. The time of day that you make your request. If you make your request early in the day, it is more likely to be processed quickly. The day of the week that you make your request. Withdrawals made on weekends or holidays will be processed on the next business day. The type of bank account that you are withdrawing to. If you are withdrawing to a foreign bank account, it may take longer for the funds to be transferred. Overall, it takes 1 to 5 business days to withdraw from StashAway. The exact amount of time will depend on the type of withdrawal you make, the time of day that you make your request, and the day of the week that you make your request. With that said, thanks for watching.